How do you do it? Are you a dinosaur? What is that? What a dinosaur says? What's a kitty say? Meow. What should I be? Okay. Meow. Heidi, can you do it one more time? Heidi.
I want my gloves.
You want your gloves? You gonna do some dishes for me?
Yes.
Okay, that'd be great.
That was funny. Let's do it again.
What's a dinosaur say with a glove on his hand?
Alice.
What's a dinosaur say?
Yeah.
Okay, should we see if Brookie's doing okay? Brookie, we love you, Brookie. Hi, Brookie. Hi, Brookie, we love you. Hope you feel better. Hi, Brookie. Love you.